Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to change your username on Spotify. Yeah, the first thing you need to do is to open your Spotify account. And once you're there, you may scroll up and you can see the settings button on the upper right corner. And on your account settings, you can see that your username does not appear in this page. Now what you're going to do is to scroll down and click on support. And you will be directed to the Spotify on the web page. Now in this page, you may scroll down and click on Account Help. Once you're in this page, you may click on the Profile Help next to Logging In and select on Username and Display Name on the second option. And this page says that your username can be changed, but there is nothing to worry about because what you're going to do next is to scroll down and click on Contact Spotify. Now in this page, you're going to contact Spotify by using platforms of your choice. I will contact Spotify by simply sending them a message. Click on Start Messaging. And in this page, you can contact Spotify and type in below your requests and concerns that you want to change your username on your Spotify account. You may type in your concerns or requests about changing your username on your Spotify account. Once you're done, you may click send and wait for Spotify to give you a feedback about your issue. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.